Now let's look at this figure 17-11, and it deals with the requirements for vaults where you're installing transformers. Now notice in the vault requirement loop that we have at the left bottom side of the illustration, we suggest you look at 230.212, 450.21c is in car, 450.23, 450.25, as well as 450.26. Now notice this is an industrial plant, and we're installing the transformers to supply the plant in a vault down in the basement area, say. Now the minimum 3-hour rated door is found in 450.42. The panic hardware on the door and requirements for panic hardware according to the 2020 NEC you'd find in 450.43C. The floor now is 4 inches a minimum thickness in accordance with 450.42, and the concrete walls and roof area is 6 inches minimum thickness in accordance with the informational note 2 to 450.42. Now the vault itself, review 450.42, 450.21c, and 230.212. Now notice we have the supply going into the service switchgear in the industrial plant, and review 230.211. And then, of course, you're getting the components that make up the switchgear. And since it's circuit breakers, that'd be 490.21a. But you'd also want to review the switchgear requirements in 490.46, 490.47, 490.49, as well as the lead-in section 230.211. And that's basically what this illustration is trying to get over, is that transformers would be protected now in accordance with table 450.3a, and the conductors would be protected in accordance with 240.100 or 240.101, and that's what our figure 17-11 is illustrating.